everyone, I'm Kay, and today I'm going to be using the Secret Center cake pan to make a peanut butter and chocolate surprise cake. For the cake, I'm just using a regular cake mix with 3 eggs, a half cup of veg oil, and 1 1/4 cups of water. You'll then want to mix that up according to the package directions. Then divide the batter evenly between each side of the Secret Center cake pan. I baked my cakes according to the package directions for 9-inch round cakes. The surprise of the Secret Center cake, we're going to do a peanut butter truffle. I'm really looking forward to giving these a try. I like them by themselves, but putting them in a cake, yum. 9 ounces of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. While you're rolling your peanut butter mixture into balls, you will want to microwave about 6 ounces of chocolate chips. You will need 6 peanut butter truffles to go in each of the wells in your cake. Once the chocolate's melted, dip each of the peanut butter balls into the chocolate, drain them off, and put them onto parchment paper and then refrigerate them. Cakes are done. They've turned out pretty well. Gotta wait for them to cool now. Cakes are out of the oven, and the truffles are out of the fridge. Cut the edges off just a little bit so they fit. Fill up the holes. All of our chocolate peanut butter truffles are in there, and we're going to add our last little piece, and that's our peanut butter ball filling for the secret surprise filling. Then I made some peanut butter frosting, and we're gonna add it around the sides, and then we're gonna add the top to the top. And granted, I am not a cake decorator, so we're just gonna do the best we can here. Pampered, not perfect, right? Okay, fill in a few of the holes here. So that the top will stick. Let's add that on now. All right, let's make sure our little things match. There we go. How's that look? Not too terribly bad so far. All right, I've got some extra frosting, so I'm just gonna put it on the top and see what happens. All right. For all you people who are awesome cake decorators out there, please do not judge. Okay, the finished product. I think Matt will be pretty happy with that when we get home tonight. Show you the inside in just a sec. All right, final product. It turned out pretty good. Peanut butter center is really nice. And that's what I'm gonna take Matt to eat now. And of course the truffle part is inside there.